Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will look into the general configuration settings of Redline software. So in order to see the default configuration settings or the modified configuration settings of the Redline software, you can easily access the configuration option from the top left menu icon button. Just click on this button and you will see a pop-up dialog box will appear. From here there is an option button. If you will click it, it will open the default configuration settings of Redline security analysis tool. So here you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 configuration settings. The first one is the default file location, the second one is the default script options, the third one is the whitelist management, fourth one is the timeline configuration, and the fifth one is the tag configuration. So default file location, this is the I think temp file location. Script options, these are the options related to the collector settings. Whitelist management settings, timeline configuration, about the times configuration setting, and the tag configuration. So if you have made any changes and you are unaware of the results and you want to reset the settings to the default option, just press this one. So I am going to cancel this setting. So this was just a mini tutorial to talk about the configuration settings of the Redline. In the upcoming videos we will talk about the standard collectors, comprehensive collectors, and iOS search collectors, how to use them to collect the data. Thank you very much and bye bye for now.